Hey guys, I'm at 1371 Pompey Drive. This one's in Davenport. It's right next to Kissimmee in Florida. Again, it's another bank-owned property. It's going to be on the market tomorrow, hopefully. So if you have any questions, concerns, or anything about a bank-owned property, or you want to look at this one, just let me know. It's got a little damage on the tile floors. It's a nice 4-bedroom. This is one bedroom here, and then you got your bath, and another bedroom. Sorry about lighting here, but on some of these properties, the bank does not allow you to turn on utilities, so you're kind of stuck with what you got during the day. But it's got a great open room concept. Nice dining area over here behind me, and then the kitchen. Looks like maybe Korean countertops. There's your dining area going right outside. We'll take a walk outside. But your backyard has a nice pond area with a fountain, which is really nice. So it's a really nice backyard area. Coming back through here, you got the master bedroom, which is going to be located in the back here. Again, a good sized bathroom. Carpet's in pretty decent shape here. We have a master closet, and then you have your master bath over here. Just a shower in this one here. And then we're going to go back through the house. 3 bedrooms are located up front. Again, you got some tile. I don't know, obviously the contractor didn't do this right, and it just came up in certain areas where the glue is. I don't think you're going to be able to go FHA in this one, maybe a 203K with minor repairs, but that's probably going to be it. Conventional may go, I'm not sure. And then this is the 4th bedroom. All really decent sized bedrooms for a newly built home. I believe this one's 2021. Good sized garage. Again, this one's in Davenport, right next to Kissimmee. I guess that's how you say it in Florida. But I should have a list price tomorrow. I got another one in Boca that I got to go look at tomorrow. That's going to be coming to the market too. So I have them all over. I do have 3 locations, one in Tampa, one in Boca, and one in Stuart, Florida. So I got houses all over pretty much Florida right now, east, west coast. So if you have questions, anybody who's looking for a property, especially first time owner, some of these are pretty decent deals. And I can work with them as far as getting loans approved with the bank that's now the seller. But again, call me if you have questions, 602-793-5898. I'd love to help you out. Thanks.